doing, little buddy? Huh.
What the fuck? What are you doing wearing tennis shoes in Florida, man?
I don't have any sandals. I left them at the house. How you doing, buddy? Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, I said hello. What's your name, buddy? Yape. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're a big boy, What's your name, buddy? Oh, you got a bad eye there? Looks like you got a bad eye. Here comes the buddy in the picture. Here comes buddy in the picture. Here comes buddy. There's buddy. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah.
See how the water's so calm, Todd? It's like a lake. Lake Tahoe is more wavy than here. Lake Tahoe, California have more waves
It's
than
the Gulf of America.
The Gulf is very calm. The Gulf of Trump. The Gulf of the dictator Trump.
It's not a dictator, dude.
Yes, he is. That's what the dictator does, Todd. Executive orders like nobody's business.
Yeah, let's put the shit back on track.
Are legal. Yes, that's what.
But it's okay when.
You know, you're born and raised in this country.
It's okay.
How the fuck would you know what a dictator
But it's okay
is?
when they do it.
What kind of fucking?
It's okay when they, Democrats do all those executive
I never
orders.
heard no Democrat
Oh.
raise tear up 100%. What are you talking about?
It's okay when they do
I
it.
never heard no Democrat president send fucking military to cities. Are you
I
serious?
still haven't seen a homeless person walking by on the beach here.
I told you that's the homeless guy.
There'll be somebody, there'll be someone, at least one. Would they ship them all over Arkansas side of the United States? You know, here, free bus rides to California. That's what they did. They put them in fucking buses and they shipped them all to LA, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Seattle, and Portland.
And that's so American, huh?
They shipped them all to Las Vegas.
And that's what Nazi Germany did.
Here, you want a free ride? Here, here's a bag of drugs. Here's a bag of goodies.
The Republicans are making this country like Nazi Germany.
And of course, all the people that came across got free backpacks of goods, sponsored by George Soros and the gang, so they could have their little migration here.
Might as well.
And then, oh, we're gonna ship them all to Florida, fucking, and ship them all to Texas so you can fucking turn them blue, in hopes those people will fucking turn Democrats. Yeah. They don't let you go to the beach this way. They locked it. They said, no, you're not coming on the beach this way. You're gonna see the birds. And you're gonna get past that lock right there, wherever the fucking lock was. Yeah, alright, well, that's the Gulf. And that's the bird sanctuary. This is Gulf of America. I'll pause that.
I guess we can go over with Fort DeSoto. It's 35 minutes to 40 solar, Larry. You know?
We're still gotta take Carmen to work.
You don't care about Old Fort, do you?
No, I care about it.
It's similar to the one in San Francisco, the one by the Golden Gate Park, by the Golden Gate Bridge, other side by Sausalito.
No. Oh, I gotta get you in there. Hey. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Alright. Oh, look at these two over here. Yeah, look at those two over there. A little more lights. There we go. I'll show the light so you can see the birds at least. There we go. All three of them. Sorry about that. Alright.
So many things out of code here in Florida. It's ridiculous. See, another one here. Look at this. Another one. See? This don't fly in California. This ain't gonna fly in California. Look at this. Look at this.
I'm looking at the bird, dude. This is also my animal channel too. What you doing? Oh, walk cautiously. All right. Well, thanks for smiling. What's up, big guy? Up, 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 up. Beep, 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 beep. Buddy. Up, 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 up. Hey, you look at me, buddy. Don't be camera shy. Don't be camera shy. There you go. Smile. Don't be camera shy. All right. Hey, go. Up, 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 up. Alright, well, thanks for posing for the camera. Hi. What's your name? Up, 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 up. Get yourself a little fountain there. Alright. Got some vultures up in the tree. Well, do a good birdie, huh? You're just a hot buddy, huh? Oh, it's okay. Oh, he flew away. Oh well.
And I was just telling your friend, normally we have people that are walking around that where birds will be on their hand and arm.
Yeah.
I did volunteer work at the Bird Beaks Sanctuary.
Oh,
I helped out
yeah.
I have a parrot cage. I helped out. That's the last trip.
Yeah.
My leg was killing me the next day. I told her
Yeah.
that I cannot volunteer.
No, you got
I
only.
can help out sitting down.
Yeah, it's only so much you can do.
My legs. That's why I'm on this boat.
What's up, buddy? Oh, you're a pretty bird.
Yeah, no, you gotta be careful.
You're a pretty birdie.
I tried the food harbor place and we pick up heavy boxes. You can't pick up heavy boxes.
No, you gotta do what you can do. Absolutely. Hi, Miss Kitty. Did you see the other owls? You kind of gotta look for
Yeah,
them.
we saw it, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Eagles and hawks and big birds.
Okay, sounds good to me. Well, enjoy your trip. Be careful. And there's all kinds of birds in the trees. If you look up, there's like
Bunch
a
of
heron right
vultures.
there. Like there's a vulture, but like you can barely see them. Like right there.
Yeah, a little blacker. Oh, there we go.
Nope, right here. Look right up. Like if you put your phone down for a sec, then you can see.
Thank you, buddy.
Ah, ah, ah. All right, buddy. Ah! I didn't bring a peanut for you, buddy. We want to thank the Seaside Seabird Sanctuary. The free admission, open daily 8 to 4, 7 days a week. Don't forget to get to the shop. Hundreds of residential birds. Good times.